Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share crispy chicken stuffed potato bites recipe. Crispy outside and juicy inside. Very easy and simple recipe. Potato 4 large. Shredded potato. Done. Transfer the potato in the bowl. Add water and wash it. Squeeze the water out. Separate the sun potato we're going to use later. Green chili 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Ginger powder 1 tablespoon. Onion powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Parsley flakes 1 tablespoon. Oregano 1 tablespoon. Corn flour 3 tablespoon. All-purpose flour 3 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Chicken cubes 350 grams. Mix well. Done. Rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take amount of chicken and potato mixture. Coat with shredded potato. Make a bowl shape. Fry until crispy and golden brown. Flip over. Stir. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.